Have you ever walked onto a construction site and wondered how everyone knows exactly what to do and when to do it, even amidst the constant changes? It is a bit like conducting a symphony, where every instrument needs to play its part at the right moment for a harmonious outcome. Organizing construction workflow efficiently truly boils down to proactive planning, clear communication, and continuous monitoring. These three pillars ensure that resources are optimally utilized, delays are minimized, and projects stay on track, leading to successful and profitable outcomes. The underlying principle behind efficient workflow is the concept of lean construction, which focuses on maximizing value while minimizing waste. By meticulously planning each phase and anticipating potential bottlenecks, you create a system where materials, equipment, and personnel move seamlessly, rather than reacting to problems as they arise. This proactive approach prevents costly rework and idle time, which are major sources of inefficiency on any construction project. To implement this, start by developing a detailed master schedule that breaks the project into manageable phases and tasks. Assign clear responsibilities to each team member and tradesperson, ensuring everyone understands their role and deliverables. Hold daily huddle meetings to review progress, identify immediate roadblocks, and adjust plans as needed. Implement a robust communication system, whether through digital platforms or consistent face-to-face check-ins, to keep all stakeholders informed and aligned. A powerful tool in achieving this efficiency is the use of last planner system principles. This involves collaborative planning with foremen and crew members to create weekly work plans based on what can and should be done, rather than just what must be done. This bottom-up approach increases commitment and accountability, significantly reducing variability and improving predictability on site. Furthermore, incorporating visual management techniques, like color-coded status boards, allows for quick assessments of progress and potential issues. By adopting these structured approaches to planning, communication, and real-time problem-solving, you gain more than just a smooth-running project. You cultivate a high-performing team that takes ownership, minimizes waste, and consistently delivers projects on time and within budget. This ensures client satisfaction and strengthens your reputation in the competitive construction industry, paving the way for future success and growth.